Hey, I'm Frank DeFilippis. I'm the builder lead for America's professional channel in the Americas. I spend my time interacting directly with the trades on behalf of the Sonos brand. We sell multi-room audio systems. We're known for our ease of use and our industrial design on really great looking and great sounding speakers. My role at Sonos is to seek out new opportunities with the construction trades, and that includes architects and designers as well as builders. The Day of Discovery presented us with kind of a unique opportunity to do that at CEDIA Expo, which is not an event typically where you're going to find the construction trades. This is a show for AV dealers and the distribution and the support structure that goes with AV installers and dealers. So this was a great chance for us to get up close and personal with some designers and other people that serve the design community. And so as a supporter of that, we'll do this every time. So home audio has been around for a long time, much longer than Sonos has been around as a customer. Where Sonos fits in, though, is that our technology is truly easy to use and truly digital. So when the world threw out their CD collections 15 years ago and moved entirely to a world of streaming audio and streaming entertainment, Sonos, as the first network-based house audio system, was kind of an ideal spot and benefited greatly from that trend. So Sonos had meteoric growth in the consumer channel, now close to 20 million homes. Because of that, the construction trades clients are asking for Sonos because they know the brand name. So it's important for us to have a relationship directly with the trades as well as all the installers that install and design systems. So we really want to do both. And Day of Discovery allows us an opportunity to do that. As I've been traveling to trade events that are tailored for the construction trades as opposed to the AV industry, I'm noticing a lot of kind of tech curiosity, right? People are living it in their own lives, but it also is relevant for them in the jobs they do servicing clients every day. And let's face it, customers are asking for these things. So it's inherent that that architects and designers start to know a little bit about a lot, and that includes technology. And so we want to be there with education, engagement, sponsorship, product giveaways, all the things you need to do to introduce your brand to an entirely new community. And so these are some of the trends that we're seeing out there. We just held a roundtable with a handful of dealers. We'd like to create a designer program at Sonos, and a lot of ideas were thrown around, all things that we're considering. Things that I've learned, though, in the past year are that we need to show up at local events and national events. We go to the Builder Show every year, but KBIS is also co-located, right? There are other associations within the interior design and architect communities. We need to figure out how we can participate and engage, show up at events, whether they're local, regional, national events. We'd like to offer education and awareness. We're thinking about things like discount coupons. So designers and architects, if they want to get a Sonos product and try it out in their own home or their studio, we give them an additional reason to do that. Marketing support, collateral, things that they can use if they get asked and they want to be intelligent and talk to a client about our brand. Let's arm them at least with the basics. And then when a project gets to a certain point, let's make sure we can introduce them to one of our certified installers. The narrative that I'm trying to change in the construction trades is that Sonos is a product that you can buy and plug in and put on the kitchen counter. I want the trades to think of me as a building material, so that during construction, they're thinking about the audio system. The best way to deploy a Sonos system in a house is to use architectural passive speakers, in wall, in ceiling, recessed and out of the way. In order to do that, however, wiring needs to be run before sheetrock goes up. It needs to be a design consideration during construction. So we're figuring out different ways to get out there with builders, designers, architects, and look more like a building material than a toaster oven that a customer buys after the fact. That's the key message that we're trying to get out there. So for anyone who's apprehensive about getting into technology, I can absolutely appreciate that sentiment. However, I would invite you to kind of get off the sidelines and try it out, right? And we're not the only brand that is really accessible for a non-technical crowd. Sonos built its brand on ease of use. Many of our customers are do-it-yourselfers. 2/3 of our company sales come from direct-to-consumer sales, albeit Sonos.com, and our retail store promotions, where you walk into a Best Buy or an electronics store, and you collaborate, you walk home with a product, and you set it up yourself. I work in the professional channel, where we support the do-it-for-me crowd, certified installers who are capable of designing and installing much larger systems. So I would encourage you to try it out, right? We have simple, inexpensive products that allow you to get started with an audio product in your own home and just get familiar with the brand, and I can assure you, you can do it.